Hello and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm making a French toast with cheese inside. It's a different recipe. Actually, I wanted to try this before, but due to some lacking of time, I couldn't make this. So finally, I got the time to make a video, and I plan to have a French toast in my breakfast. So for that, I took 3 slices of bread and I have cut the sides, the brown side, and so you can use the brown part for the breadcrumbs later. And after that, I've put a butter onto the slices, and after putting the butter, I have placed a cheese slice. I got day fresh cheese. It was like sandwich slices. This is the cheddar cheese from Day Fresh, and these are sandwich slices, and I'm going to place it inside the sandwich. Then I assemble all the 3 slices, one on top of the other. Now it's time to dip the sandwich into a egg batter, and it's a sweet batter basically. So I've put 2 eggs, some milk, some cinnamon powder, and a bit of sugar in this mixture. So I have dipped my bread into this, soaked well, and I'm making sure that the sides are well closed so that it doesn't open on the skillet. So I then put butter on the skillet, and I gave it a good press onto the sandwich slice so that it presses equally and the sides doesn't open. And it turned out to be super delicious. It was really yum. You guys need to try this recipe out at home and let me know in the comments section how did it turn out to be. Did you like it or no? Let me know in the comments section, and thanks for watching. I drizzle the French toast with honey to add some sweet flavor. Look at that cheese inside. It was so cheesy and sweet, and it was really delicious.